Remake-up ta chuwi khamadaya bauping. Imphal Theological College and Seminary na IGP IK Muivali Doctorate Mihaira. Second ambush li pangzung zanga gachi MNBF Cater Akad Tukui Haira. BJP na Himachal Pradesh li Uniform Civil Court Kuramirada doing a shit Mihaira. Lake Hayangator aju the Tangkhul Expressway bao Iknguira Shimray ina bami delay bao ping maisa aina nganang rumsa. Imphal Theological College and Seminary IDCS na IBS IK Muivali Doctorate confer sami haira. Honorary Doctorate Degree for Lifetime Achievement da Humanitarian Services Kala Social Work Wivang IDCS na Dr. IK Muivali Doctorate confer kasa graduation ceremony chi President Reverend Dr. Wilson Telan na administer samia. Seminary chiwi aina rida Honorary Doctorate sampanghay nga chali Chief Minister Sagasa Dr. Rishang Keshi MLA Dr. Jaldon Lin Amo Gala former Embassy General Secretary Dr. Vumtang Siltho Atum Lazanga Manipur we Inspector General of Police Dr. IK Muivana SP Sadalelaka Jails we Prisons Reforms Vivang Mathala Kaina or Sami Haida Legala part of Ligazang now being Vivang Correctional Welfare Measures Kumida Prison Environment Matama Ingasak Pakamai Mi Ngasak Ngasak Od Ngarut Kwimi Haida Legia Jita the Pakamai Environment Kura Kami Wiaina, part of Gazang now being Wivang, Indira Gandhi National Open University Kuramida, Atumli Kalemaina, Gadam Gashi Kupsankwai upon Kami, Gashi Gazam Tamai Dangaran Kami, La Ngatung Dada, part of Liot, Gasi Gazang, Kam Kakui Higata Himatala Gaina, Hapok Mihaida Legia. India Li Karesada Padobli, Jim Shok Mila, Manipur Central Jail. Sajiwali Haupok da Chui, Agap Akai CNN IBN Award Kakuya, Annual Chimwi, RK Viswajit na donate Samia. Ngariong Han music, painting, bangot, dalaring kala, spiritual counseling la Haupok mi, kala HIV inmates being wivang, Jenims Hospital ling shiklaga, atam ling aring ran mi. Library la Mathamai Haimi Pogada, Higata Kanga Quick Rally IGP, IBS Dr. IK Muivana Hapok Kamiwi, Otngarut Kahaka Zangachia. Dr. IK Muivana graduation Aina post graduation St. Stephen's College Delhi University Wiaina Gukui, College Social Service Society da Mikangabio Nauli Lyric Bakamili Lazangsa, United Nations at Center of Excellence Willy Special Police Units Training Italy Livazan, Mid Career Training Program Sydney, Australia Kala Cambridge University UK Livakuya. Kala 2018 kum Police Medal for Meritorious Service la Sampanga. Dr. IK Muivana Zingum Tarada Panga Gathather Dalelaka 1985 kum Tangkhul Baptist Youth Fellowship New Chekonui Chairman Sada Awiyari Ot Kasang Nui Lagaina Haupoka. Muivana Arihon Manipur Police Christian Churches Association with advisor Jula Sadale. Ajakum ngapai kechan Churachandpur secondly 46 Assam Rifles convoy ambush kasali zanga kachi mi akali tukui haira ngapai Derek Tharada katumtang Singat subdivision with second curly ambush sada Assam Rifles Colonel Biplab Tripathi gala awi purivuaina zingum taruk naumira zanda chawans madithi kahaina ambush kasali zanga kachi Manipur Naga People's Front MNBF with kata majukring Zamshim Shimray, Amin Ninkan Dalakazat, Zingom Magu Mayana Akali Ajahon Guptang, Manipur Police NIA Dim Kala, Assam Rifles personnel na Tukakwina. MNBF Kater Chile Imphal East District Yangang Bokpi Junction of Oil Bump Li Guptangator, Bungtara Makai Shika Atamli Tukuya da police official na hanga. Ninkan Hi New Canon Nauna, Indian Express Pau Atishu dan Ninkan na hangkapat ana outfit Chile 2016 livazanga kala ariri majukring hi self-styled corporal aina leda self-styled chairman Francis we azingli asadale Central Security Forces madaila kaina Assam Rifles li ambush kasang dadai dali Ninkan la zanghairachia 2020 kum maranga Darik Magada Jigotang Kongdai Chantil ambush kasa jilila MNBF winning Kansanga Chia ambush jilimi gatum T Taruksa Zahawa Tukui Gahai Gatter Jili NIA Infal Team Di Misanghaira 2021 Kum Second Ambush G Insurgent Groups Kini People's Liberation Army Aina Manipur Naga People's Front Na Kasana Gachi Claim Shoka Kala Manipur Shokana Case G NIA Li Mika Gahaina Himachal British Li BJP Li Kabangaluya Ka State Li Uniform Civil Court Kuramira Da Paradia Chanada Party President GB Nadana Hanghaira Uniform Civil Court Kachi Shakaza Gapang Ngapam Kakui Adoption Ranu Shitkasang Dada We Personal Law Sign Amazatla Indian Richum Now Saikoru Wivang Ngarai Kacha Ayin Lake Mili Kahana Uniform Civil Court Kalehina Madaila Kaina Shinao San Wivang Equality Aina Justice Kurami Kawai Kasana Dahanga Nadana Himachal British Assembly Elections We Bharti Manifesto Pong Kamili Uniform Civil Court Kurami Ragaji Duiji Kamina State we election Ajuwi Darik Tarada Kanitang Sawa Kidale Dale Experts Committee Semragala Atumui Report Atishuda Uniform Civil Court G Himachal British Li Zatnasakra Da Nadana Hanga BJP na Gujarat Lila Uniform Civil Court Haimira Gaji Hang Haidale Gujarat Assembly Bowls Akum Kani Aina Sarada Rakara Kayon Gajangwi Darik Aka Aina Pangatang Langchin Sahaidale State Li BJP na job opportunities lag Jishat Gada Kuramira last state we Apple Kaling now Bingwi Goods and Services Tax last 12% limit Aina Haimira Gaji BJP na Ngashithaira Infal East Kurai Chingangbam Lekaili Raj Medicity Multi Speciality Hospital Semkawai CM Biren Singh Na Foundation Stone Shun Mihaira Arishang Semkawai Hapok Kami Gazip Chili Works Minister Kavindas Kontacham Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan Consumer Affairs Food and Public Distribution Minister L. Susindro Mite Kala German and Managing Director Raj Medicity H. Rajan Lavazanga Chief Minister Biren Namaso Wasada Kamatwili, Health and Education Sector Li Shokarna Kamadaya Sada Yangsang Midalejia. Chinims Li MBBS sits Shaka Wiaina, Shaka Hampanga, Kami Laga, La Jurajanpur Medical College MBBS sits Shaka Aina Shomida, Ara Manipur State Viaina, Kumgaji MBBS Jungme Shogda State V Doctors, Kangajabli, Kankwi Mirada, CM Nahanga. Biren Nagahang India We District Jidali Medical College Semi Kangai Prime Minister Narendra Modi We Ningajang Atishuda State Government District Lila Medical College Sem Gami Kawai Majukdale Chief Minister Nagahang Health for All Scheme We Azingli Ku Shashini Gada covers Haira Gala Des Aina Jacob Mi Langatum Langdali Sami Haira MBBS Gors La Ara Abamwi Ramji Aina Damjite Kawai BM Modi na Thanda Sandaleda Health Sector Li Ningsang Kami Wivang CM Biren na BM Li Ningashi Pongshoka COVID-19 Mimao Ajamli Medical Facilities Mathada Makale Oxygen Cylinders La Supply Kangachap Kata We Ringashi Gasak Paningunda Adam Chitaran Odram Gatumi High Officials Doctors Medical Staff Saiguru La Brevet Arishang Bing Zangda Nujon Mi Gahai Sami Gahai Bing Wivang Nishishi Haya Mamalai Marada CM Biren na Hangsanga Jiribam District Li COVID-19 Vaccine Dose Kare Kuiran Saigoruna Kuighai Wivang Award Mishokhaira Jiribam District Administration Namakok Mida Award Ceremony Deputy Commissioner Officer Jingdong Leikai Jiribam Li Kuigaya District Li 100% COVID-19 vaccination Aina Leishap Kawai Kasali Manga Kwa Jiteda District Administration na Award Chief Former District Immunization Officer Dr. Bampam Chief Medical Officer E. Okendro Singh Gala Health Department officials local presence community-based civil society organization Aina Asha workers being the award Mishoka Jiribam District Li 100% COVID-19 first dose vaccination being a Sakawai Gasali Atumna, Sami Gahai Odmarut, Kui Mi Gahaili, Maya Kangai Ningashi Chiteda District Administration na Award G Kamigasana. Gazip Jilib Deputy Commissioner Jiribam W. Malamganba Chengley, Additional Superintendent of Police A.K. Satananda Anila Wazanga. Manipur Freedom Fighters Pingwi Bingli Memorial Bark Sem Kwai Sadalaida Chief Minister and Biren Singh Hanga Awo ayi pingna ngalai hiwiwang sami kahai jigat mi kahai mamalai bai mana gachihanda Rani Gaitin Lui gaping gachikat Santana Majut Mida Rani Gaitin Lui Ming Aina India wi Jahaj Aka Commission Sahira Gachila CM na Hangsanga Maramchi 13th Jatanang Memorial Football Tournament Gupkasang Zipli Kahangna State Way Sports Movement Malinglagai na Zadalay Gachihanda Taminglong le Astro Football Crowns le Semra Damay Apamli Ngareopung Magada Aka Gala Oklong Sanabadi Lilang Ngareopung Semira that lay Dalejia Tribal Affairs and Hills Minister Ledbao Haukip Minister for Water Resources Awangpo Nyumai Minister for Social Welfare Haikam Dingo German Hill Areas Committee Dinganglung Kangwei MLS Kumukcham Joy Kishan Changhamlung Banmei Atumla Gazip Chili Vazanga Assembly elections Ganai Gahai Assembly Tripurali political clash Shokli Hera Tripurali CPIM Aina BJP supporters Ngadak Ngarok Dami Chigo Sazahawa Ochochi Tripura Kowai District Wi Delai Murali Kashokna Sagazu Chili Police Personnel Kanizanga CPIM Katana Gala Gagadom now being meeting Bamrada Goptangaya Karolong Li Gazip Kasali BJP Li Gagadom Kanito Tarada Kani Shikana Ajakra Kasana Chia CPIM activists being Chinala Ngargada Jilikon Gazar Kashoknada Subdivisional Police Officer Delia Murana Hanga Police Kala Tripura State Rifle na Varakwida Police Kani la CBIM activists Sazagahai being the Arishan Kwiva Hawa Kala Police na Suyo Motor Case Tasang Haira La Kavak BJP wi Kalyani Roy Nava CBIM wi Mina BJP Rally Zat Kasale Ajakra Kasana Chidale BJP workers Panga Charuk Sazahawa Gajihanda BJP wi Mina Delia Mura Police Station wi Officer in Charge Liva Sampangda BJP supporters li attack Kasawe action Kwilu Gaji demand Sahira da Roy Nahanga Nagaland Assembly election li Langmaida Naga solution li Madai Maida Kwira da CM Nephew Rio na Hanghaira Twen Sangwe Loyam Memorial Astro Dev Crown Tergat Kamili Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party Gathana Rio na Gahang Naga now Bingwi Ngakang Gahai Ngashanhi India Shokana Machut Mihaira Gala Ngashanhi British Adam Liaina Dangda Masazela Ragahaina da Rio na Hangsanga Assembly election Rawukida Leila Rio Gala Awi Party na Naga solution hi priority Sada Kuya Chihira Ajahon Dari Kanitang Nagalena President Draupadi Murmu Wivang Civic Reception Rumida Naga political issue hi Gupsami Kwai CM Riona President Draupadi Murmu Gagatom Pohaira Chia Delenganali Zakshi Gahai Semia Upma Kashai Aina Shinau Gadam now Hunter Gadali Arishan Kwivahaira Semia Upma hi South India Vagniao Laga Hai Zat Maniaka Tara Zat Yur Aka Aina Semga Kwikashakazana Sangareti District wi Narayan Cat Town li Kalai Geji BV wi Gatam now being Guptang Natora breakfast Kakwili Semia Upma Za La Senu Mangahai Chili Kamalo Haupokawa Now da Atumwi Kashakazali Agu Zangsada Chila Tekuya da Hanga Aya Bauli Samka Pangaina Danda Gatam now Mugada Panga Arishan Ling Hafudale Kazakshida Magazalu Manachia Narayan Katwi RDO Ambadas Rajeshwa Da Sildar Mugrali Kala Police Inspector Krishna Retina Ochochi Vayang Sangmida Gatam now Nagahang Atumwi Kashakaza Chili Aguzanga Zanga da principal aina staff li hanglala mangana sangmi tuwa kala chithada aguzang laga kashakaza kami worship jili ajuwi hina kare maning wanada gatam now being nahanga District Collector A Sharatna hostel with special officer aina staffers being chili suspend sahira Nadlida ajuwi madaya bauping Infal Theological College and Seminary na IGP IK Muivali Doctorate Mihaira. Second ambush li Pangzung Zanga Gachi MNBF Cater Aka Dukui Haira. BJP na Himachal Pradesh li Uniform Civil Court Kuramira da doing a sheet mihaira. Achu bi pau hiling changhaira pau ngana da khlai na chum sai korali ring kapang kala khamahaya simikshong asasirana.